Encountering errors in Salesforce is inevitable and can really slow you and your team down. So I'm introducing Snap2Case, where we unleash the power of images. Let me show you how Snap2Case can streamline the error reporting process for your company. Let's pretend I'm an end user trying to run this flow on an account record. So we're just going to click this button and, oh look, another unhandled fault error. No problem though, because Snap2Case can help get this issue resolved as soon as possible. First, we're going to take a screenshot of the error. Next, we will access Snap2Case via the utility bar at the bottom of the screen. From here, I will upload a screenshot of the error. Snap2Case will provide a preview of the uploaded image to the users. From there, we will allow Snap2Case to analyze the image. By the way, Snap2Case uses AI-powered image detection to identify the error present in the screenshot. And as you can see, Snap2Case has identified this as an unhandled fault error, which is correct. So now we will generate a support case. Snap2Case will automatically populate certain information based on the error categorization and the page that the user was on whenever they submitted the error. Once the user verifies that all of this information looks correct, they can successfully submit the support case. Now you see how easy that is. Now let me show you the features available for my fellow Salesforce professionals. You will have access to the Snap2Case app, where you can easily view all the support cases created through Snap2Case. So here is the support case that we just created. And as you can see, Snap2Case provides a helpful overview of the error. You can immediately see an image of the error category, a link to the affected record, and even more information that can help you to troubleshoot the issue. But here's where the magic happens. You can see tips to resolve common Salesforce errors right within your Salesforce org. These tips generate based on the error category that Snap2Case identified. So this means that your admins and developers should spend less time Googling issues, and this should help them to resolve the unhandled fault error. So now you see what's possible when you unleash the power of images with Snap2Case. Any Salesforce customer can benefit from an improved error reporting process. Snap2Case is still in the build phase, and I'm looking for feedback. If you could fill out this feedback form and let me know what you think of Snap2Case, that would be super helpful. I want to make sure that Snap2Case serves your needs, so your feedback is important. You can access the feedback form via this button on Snap2Case.com. Thank you for your time, and I can't wait to get Snap2Case on the App Exchange.